Next up, we will be talking about some of our services. We'll be talking about our latest and greatest Zabbix services, and who else to talk about them than our business development director, a great colleague of mine. Let's welcome Sergejs Sorokins. Welcome.
Hello, I'm very glad you can join our summit today. While my colleagues are here to introduce some great new features of latest Zabbix software released just a few days ago, I also have some interesting topics to share with you. And let me start with clouds. As you might remember, during previous Zabbix summit, we have announced the availability of Zabbix server as virtual machines available on all major public clouds. After 12 months, we are counting hundreds of thousands of hours in monthly use. And we see this as a big thing growing fast. So our natural move was to make Zabbix available at other public clouds as well. We have added Zabbix to Oracle Cloud. We have partnered with Red Hat to introduce Zabbix right at the launch of Red Hat Marketplace in May this year. We are releasing Zabbix on Alibaba Cloud in just a few days from now. And Zabbix is about to be published on Linode Cloud. We did go further to introduce Zabbix at clouds popular in some regions like Yandex Cloud in Russia. So you, our customers, have more options to deploy Zabbix on any of these clouds with just a few clicks. Now is your turn. Whether you need to do a quick POC, run a pilot, or set up Zabbix in a full production, consider using Zabbix virtual machines in these public clouds. However, Zabbix is not a standalone system. In many cases, Zabbix server is being used alone with Zabbix proxies. Some of them are located very close to you, while others in different cities. In some cases, those could be placed in other countries as well. And that can become an issue to find the location for your proxy. And now is a time for Zabbix proxies to go into the cloud. We are now introducing Zabbix proxies available in the form of virtual machines on AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud. So if you are asked to deploy Zabbix proxy, think of Zabbix virtual machines in those clouds. Many of you are using containers daily. So we decided to make it much easier for you by introducing Zabbix containers in the clouds. As the first step, we made Zabbix containers available in Red Hat Marketplace, with AWS and Azure coming very, very soon. And if we go all the way to the clouds, it is just natural to make Zabbix technical support available in the clouds as well. And we have started with Microsoft Azure. So if you go on Azure Marketplace, search for Zabbix, you would be able to find support tiers available for you. You just choose the one that you like the most and buy it right away. And technical support services will become available to you at almost the same minute. You will receive credentials to Zabbix support system and will be able to open your first ticket within an hour or so. And purchase process is easy. And your organizations might already have a budget allocated for Microsoft Azure. And of course, with all the new features coming in Zabbix related to security and others, Zabbix becomes a solid cloud resident. Another topic I would like to cover today is Zabbix professional training. With the release of Zabbix 5.0 LTS, we have introduced all new shiny training courses. They became longer, covering all the latest functionality of Zabbix. We have updated practical tasks to make them even more detailed, covering more practical cases. In the situation when we are limited to travel, Zabbix has introduced virtual courses. so you can take those without leaving your home or office. Courses are delivered in all time zones in many languages to make it convenient to you. It has never been easier to get Zabix certified. So check our website, sign up for a course, and advance to the next level in Zabix. We have also thought of those who have previously attended Zabix training courses. A full update course allows students holding certificate of any previous version to attend Zabix Certified Specialist and Zabix Certified Professional courses at the very special price. Those are the same full courses, but made available to you with a 50% discount, so you can keep up with the latest development in Zabix. With the release of new training program, we also announced a completely new type of training. Extra course is a virtual, one-day, super practical, in-depth course. There is no pre-requirements and no exam. And now I want to introduce you with the first 4 extra courses. If you are interested to learn more about Zabbix API, Zabbix preprocessing, security administration in Zabbix, or advanced problem and anomaly detection, we have those topics covered for you. As you may see from our training schedule, the first extra course on Zabbix preprocessing is just 2 weeks away. Act fast, visit our webpage today, and sign up for the upcoming extra courses. Number of seats is limited, and surely expect extra courses coming in many languages and different time zones very soon. As you may see from our training schedule, the first extra course on Zabbix preprocessing is just 2 weeks away. Act fast, visit our webpage today, and sign up for the upcoming extra courses. Number of seats is limited, and surely expect extra courses coming in many languages and different time zones very soon. And just to make it even more interesting, there is a special prize for those Zabbix Certified Specialists and Zabbix Certified Professional students who have attended their courses within the last 6 months. You may purchase one or all 4 extra courses at the special price of €290. And just as a last touch, please meet a long-awaited Zabbix training certificate validation form. Now you can search for our certificates and share results of your achievements with your colleagues and the whole world. Simply navigate to our website, visit training section, and check your certificate. That's it. Thank you and have a great day.
And I have Sergey back here with me, ready to answer some of your questions. So let's begin. So I hope you're ready, Sergey. I have a couple. So let's start with the old good question about our cloud services. Do we plan on offering our own cloud services?
Yes, we still do. Actually, there are several things that we need to develop to achieve in order to provide this service on the very good level with a very good quality. We are slowly moving there. At a certain point, definitely we will make this offer available to our customers.
Okay, let's see. Next up. So we do have a couple of extra trainings, as you mentioned. One-day trainings. Do we plan on developing and creating and offering some new trainings as we go, as we develop new functionality and things like that? Or are these existing trainings here to stay and that's it, set in stone?
Definitely. In our plan, we have at this moment at least 4 additional topics that we are planning to cover, but that's not a limit. So as we develop, as we see the demand and we see how students react for those new training courses, definitely new topics are going to appear.
So I guess feedback over here is quite important. If we can read and hear the feedback from our students and community members of what they want to, learn about. Based on that, we can probably develop some new additional trainings. Is that correct?
Yeah, this is what we're waiting for. So we are waiting for the students, and as just Let me remind you, it's just a first training in 2 weeks from now. Yes, and then I think it's repeating every 2 or 3 weeks. Next training coming in 2 or 3 weeks, right? So move on these trainings, see how they are. Let us know what you liked and let us know what you want.
Yeah, so feedback is key here. Next up, so a little bit about the technicalities of the trainings. So when it comes to online trainings, which are very common and pretty much the only way we handle things right now, what is the limit to the count of students attending an online training?
Actually, that depends on the training course. If I remember correctly, for the user course, it's up to 50 people because in most of the cases, it's just one-way communication, right? With a specialist and with a professional, we go for up to 10 students in one virtual course. With some, let's say, with the extra courses, it depends on the topic of the extra course. If we're talking about the security extra course, actually, I think right now it's something like about 5 because there are a lot of practical hands-on work. And we are, let's say, looking at each course, we're understanding whether we need to increase the maximum number of students or decrease, and from there we go. So it's dynamic.
Yeah, it's very reasonable. As a trainer myself, I can say that that number can indeed and does change quite a bit. Like you said, the more hands-on kind of approach we take, the less students we can actually take in for the training because, yeah, we kind of need to look after each and every student. If it's more of a theoretical topic, then, yeah, we can handle more students. And regarding upgrade courses or update courses, what are the requirements if, let's say, I'm currently, a 4.0 specialist or professional and I want to do an update course to 5.0? So what should I know about 5.0? Do I need to know some knowledge about 5.0 already, or what are the requirements here?
No, the update courses is just as simple as it can be. So if you are actually not even a 4.0 student, you can be a 3.0, you could be 2.0, it could be I'm not sure, 1.4 student, right? So the update course, the full update course, it is the same course. You as a student, you just get a special discount. So it's cheaper for you to attend that course. It's more affordable for you to attend. And if you ask me how to actually sign up for that course, it's really easy. You sign up for a regular course. You just let us know that you are updating because you already have a certificate from any previous Zabbix courses. It must be the same course. So if you're applying for the specialist, you must hold the specialist course, the previous course. But it's easy.
So it's just a matter of me emailing you and saying, hey, I'm already a specialist in 3.0, so can I get an update course to 5.0? And
I think on this order form that there is a special, let's say, additional field for any additional information. This is where you can put it. In case you submit just a regular form, our sales team will be working with you anyway. So this is, again, the time when you may tell us, okay, I'm aiming for the update.
Yeah, okay, thank you. I think this is clear then for us. Thank you a lot.
Thank you for your questions.
It was my pleasure. Yeah, thank you.